Live from Las Vegas, it's Keto Cooking. Here's Tommy. Hey everybody, welcome back. I'm Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Why am I showing you this grill? Well, I used to rescue grills. Some people rescue animals. I rescued grills. Took the guts out of this one and made it into a deep fryer. Why am I telling you this? Well, you have to adjust from circumstances that are at hand. Now, today we're going to have New York strip steak. Now, I normally cook that outside, and you're going to see why I have to make this adjustment. Okay, it's about 40-mile-an-hour winds out here, dust all over the place, out here in the desert, but I need to cook dinner. What I'm going to do, put my little burner inside the smoker. Put my cast iron on there. Fire it up. Let that pan heat up. And we're gonna put these two steaks on. Be back when we get some heat. Alright, I'm gonna drop some butter into the pan. There we go. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There it is, beautiful New York strip steak, lemon butter, nice green salad. We overcame our problem with the wind. So, hey, listen, I'm Tom Garvey, the Keto Cook. Stop back next time. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Hey, I got to get out of here. I got to catch a flight. Honey, I'm home.